Hey guys, it's Landon from RH. This is the fourth video in the set of videos I'm doing that walk you through the boundary survey for this parcel we have out here on Wilmarth Road and Highway 88. In the last video I showed you how we updated the GIS with the results of our field survey. What I was going to do next was actually start to put together the boundary search drawing, but I need to Kogo or draw one more map. It's this map here. And I wasn't going to record that. I was just going to go ahead and draft it up. But I thought, there's some of you that might enjoy, I don't know if enjoy is the right word. It's probably the wrong word. Some of you might benefit from watching me Kogo this map, and I'll kind of verbally walk through, why I'm Kogoing the stuff on the map that I'm getting Kogo'd, and we may have closure errors that we need to resolve. I don't know. I was on the fence. I almost didn't record it, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got the map pulled up here. You know what? Let's see if we can do half screens on this for you guys. All right. I thought I had Carlson survey open. Let's do that half. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So I pasted in the line work from my other Kogo just so I can get the layers right. So we want to go ahead and start this. It doesn't really matter where we start. I'm going to start down here at the bottom corner. And you can see I got to be careful here because we got, I don't know what's going on here. There's multiple monuments here, both from reference A. What's reference A? Let's go see what reference A is. Legend, where'd you put your references, Zach? Okay, reference A is RS 19129. So for some reason, there's three monuments here. So I don't know if I pulled that yet, guys. I gotta go get that and we gotta look at it. But let's get this map Kogo. Then if we have time, we'll go take a look at that. So we're gonna go to Carlson. We're going to go to Kogo, line by angle distance. We're going to pick a point, and our bearing on that first line, we're going to go north. There is, I'm going to do the overall, guys. So the overall is right here. I'm not going to break it because I didn't find this mod. I'm going to just go ahead and do the overall. So we're going northwest. So it says southeast, but we're going northwest because we're going the other opposite direction. 16. 57, 55, and we're going 1,036.24 feet. Okay, so something didn't happen there. Oh, did it draw a line? I can't tell if it drew a line or not. Yep, it did draw a line. Okay, so I didn't realize it, but this map is way off of north. It's 15 degrees off of north. I didn't realize that. It sucks. I don't like it when surveyors do this. I wish they would just leave stuff true north. It would have fit true north because now it's going to just be awkward, but it is what it is. Okay. And this might not have been Zach. This might have been his dad. Yeah, it wasn't Zach. It was Zach's dad. I know Zach. Zach's a good guy. He's a surveyor here in Stockton. Okay, let's go ahead and do this next course. So now we're up here, we're going to come across. So we've got, let's see here. I'm actually going to go all the way across the top here. So we've got southwest is going to be our bearing because we're going the opposite direction. So, sorry. Let me get back over into Carlson. So we're going southwest, so quadrant 3, 730154, and I'm going to go all the way across 739.48. And the reason I did that is because I want this tie-in because we're going to use this to establish the center line of Wilmarth, and we're going to check it with this parcel map over here. Okay, so now I need to break that line at this distance because we didn't find this monument, but we want to be able to put this line in here. So I'm going to just draw, I'm going to draw a circle. That distance is 391.72. Let me try that again. Let's just fix the radius, 391.72. Okay, now I can break this. I can break this line. So we're going to break this here and here. Okay, so now we've got that split up. And so what I can do is I can come down this next line here. So we're going to use this overall distance of 1186.18. So we're going southeast, 1657.26, and we're going to go 1186.18 for the distance. I'm just curious, are these parallel? They are not quite, but almost parallel. You can see there, these two lines. Okay, now we're going to go back up. We're going to try and close out here. We'll see how good this map closes. So we're going to go... we've got to go, let's see, what would that be? Northeast, quadrant 1. And we're going to go, let's see, our bearing is 52.0538, and we're going 419.60. Okay, looks like it closes good. So, good job, Chance. Now I'm going to stub this other line down here. So let's rerun that command. And we're going to go the opposite direction. So this time we're going southwest for our quadrant, 52.0538. And we're going to go this 351.14 right here. All right, so that stubs in this line. And he actually gives us this overall, which is cool because it's kind of hard to see that from the map, but he does give us that overall. So that's great because we can check that closure. So we're going to come up this bearing and distance now. So we're going to go... let me restart that command, guys. Sorry. We're going to go from here, northwest, 1657.001311.66. And yep. Okay, now that did not close out the way I expected it to. So something's up here. Let's see what that distance is. That is 20 feet. So that means I goofed up here somewhere. Oh, see, this distance comes all the way out to the center line. So what I want to do is break this line here. Oop. Okay, and so we could just do an offset now, a 20-foot offset, and oop, and that will give us our center line. Okay, now let's go ahead and get some stuff layered. Now I'm gonna let's see here. I gotta remember where my match properties thing is. Oh, here it is. So we're gonna put the fee parcel lines on this layer. So this is our fee parcel for this map. And then the rest of these are gonna go on a tie line layer. I don't know if I have that set up. I don't think I do. But I have my center line. Whoop. I have my center line layer set up so we could tag our center line. And then it looks like most of this, but not all, is 20 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in at 20 feet. We just have to remember that some of that right away is not 20 feet. But for now, I'm gonna put it in like that. All right, I don't know if I have a tie lines layer in here. I do not, so we need to make a tie lines layer. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Let's see. I don't think I need anything else off of this map yet, guys. You know what? I do. I need to tie to this monument. I don't know if he gives me enough to. He does. 41.2 feet of centerline intersection, no ref. Okay, so he does give me. So we need to stub the tie into this line here, guys. So he gives me this distance down the freeway. I'm sorry, down the center line. So let's lengthen this line is 1319.32. Okay, so it's a little bit longer than this sideline here. Okay, and then he gives us this bearing and distance to this this kind of weird monument, not a record. It's in a Monwell, which is it's weird that there's a monument there that's not in the record. It's just weird that there's a monument in a Monwell like that with no record. Okay, so we're gonna go. He says we're northwest 18.0612, 41.24 feet. Okay, so there's our tie line to our monument. Okay, so we'll I'm running out of time here in this video. I'll get these on a tie lines layer, and I think we have enough now to put together our boundary search drawing. I may end up coming back and getting some more information off this map. This map we'll have to see. Oh, you know what? Let's see. 1319, I think, was supposed to go all the way down to the highway center line. It does not look like it did. That's 1311, that's 1319, but he's got this going all the way. Oh, we got to add this 42.83 feet. So let's do that real quick. So you got to read these maps carefully, right? Or stuff goes in the wrong place. So I'm going to extend this down. So this monument is actually down here. It's actually right there. Okay, let me save this. And in the next video, I'll have this cleaned up. We'll start putting together our boundary search drawing.